Hey guys, how are you doing? In this video, I will teach you how to install power supply Windows for a desktop computer. Yeah, but before we begin, make sure you watch the video to the end before you subscribe. As you can see, this video shows the fan from the SPO, which is the which is the CPU cooling fan. And what you need now is to mount and install it with a screw pin using the screwdriver. Ensure all the screw pins are tightened and the covers is securely in place. This video region shows clearly that it's a computer motherboard. If you see this stick still, look at the right arrow this is pointing. Close it. Close it like this. Yes. Good. Yeah. Okay. So now the next step, which is second, is to use the screwdriver. Attach it. Screwdriver. Attach this screw pin from the fan. Then yes, they attach it at the front of the motherboard. But after you close it, after closing it, attach the screw pin at the front of the motherboard. Then the video's region shows a CPU cooler, which is a cooling fan. It's a component designed to cool. It's a component designed to cool the central processing unit of a computer. So make sure you tighten these four screw pins. These four screw pins. Together. Then attach to it to the motherboard. After touching it, you put the motherboard inside the PSU. Then touch the pin after losing it, and the both of them. And when you are done mounting, follow the next steps. And when you are done mounting, follow the next steps. But after that, ensure you mount the hard drive disk, HDD. No, I mean the image region shows a COF, FPC or a RAM, which is a chip on film, a flexible printed circuit board, or a random access memory, if I'm getting it correct. So, so what you have to do is either you put this random access memory board both in left, or you put the right, or put the other one which is right. Then after that you touch this screw piece, you tighten it together. The next image shows the cable BNC connector. And make sure you connect these cables that match the colors, the real colors, as you can clearly see the video. Yes, this is show that this show that is the person is losing the is using the screwdriver to lose the piece. Yes. After you losing it, you bring out the hard drive disk, then connect the remaining part of the cables, then you put it put it the HDD back inside the PSU. You then hold the hard drive discs there with your fingers, then touch the remaining ones. After that, you lose it from the CPU cooler fan. You also connect the remaining part of the cables. If you have just connected it, then touch it back to where it was. yes, 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 yes. The next step is to connect the cable ATX, which is advanced technology, which is advanced technology and extended by power supply adapter cable to the CMOS, complementary metal oxide complementary metal oxide semiconductor. But the battery located in hard drive disks through the motherboard. Yeah, from the look of it is you can see then these cables looks like an electrical connections, but different cables. So you make sure you connect the two cables to the motherboard while the picture shows a surface mount device capacitor like a ceramic or a tantalum type, which is found on the PCB, which is a, a printed circuit board. Next, you connect to the last part, which is the white and the red ones, or the red cables that match the color cables. It and connecting mounting and installing the PSU. They use the tower cover of the computer to close the case. But after you are done connecting, you must test your PC or your computer if everything is connected and powered properly. Then the CPU cooling fan and the power supply should must turn on, and your computer will boot like as usual or normal. If you hear the sound like a beep or the light shows on, that will show it works. Now that you've successfully installed the power supply, ensure that all cables are properly connected and routed. You can close up the case and power on your PC or your computer to verify if everything is working correctly. Yes. So that is how to install the power supply you need on a computer or your PC, and it's easy to do it yourself. If everything is working, then boom, you are ready to go. In the next video, I will make on the how to fix no audio output device installed on Windows 11, 10, 7, and the 8. So make sure you watch my previous video on my channel, and then if you have any questions, opinions, thoughts, or suggestions, you can let us know in the comments. You write in your comment section, and then I'll give you a feedback and I'll respond to you. And don't forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell to activate so that you receive a notification from YouTube. Anytime I release a new video, you'll be the first person to watch, comment. Comment and don't forget to click on the button share so that YouTube will recommend this video to others. Click on the button share so that others that have laptop can do it. Yes, by the time after they're done watching, they will do it by themselves, and they will try to see if it is works. And if it works, if it's working on your laptop, your PC, they could come back and comment and say thank you, God bless you, thank you, God bless you, it works. And if your PSU power supply unit's not working, then they can't really give me they can't and write it to the comment section, and then I will respond to you. So that's it. That's the video. That's the end of the video for today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.